Hello everybody, this is Mission Impossible girl Alicia, and we are on a mission today. We are searching for fountains here in this garden place, and we are not succeeding at finding them. So on our mission, we are searching. You are welcome to join us. That's my dad, my mom, and my sister, just to introduce you.
They said it's pine needles.
Not what we're looking for. It's not our mission. There are the fountains. Here are the fountains. We have succeeded in our mission. Now we must find the correct one. Here's a boy. Maybe he's a nice fountain.
Maybe he will pee.
No, he just stands there. There's a lion that will spit out water for us. See, this lion would spit out water for us. That's exactly what we want. They all look the same. Sister!
Where's the one that they have?
How do you feel about accomplishing this mission? Oh, Laura. In our next segment, we will interview the mission people that went on this mission with me. We will interview them.
That's it, huh?
Yeah. Well, we've looked at all the fountains, can't find the right one. I guess our mission has failed. It's okay. Keep in touch for our next segment to see the interviews of how we feel about failing in our mission. Goodbye.